Hey Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Sydelway replacement battery for Greenworks 80V tools. We're going to open them up, show you what it looks like, test it out with a couple tools, and then of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as we get this out of its box here, it will look just like any other 80V from standpoint of Greenworks. Other than that, it's just got a different name here. Comes fully charged, which is awesome. And we'll go ahead and test this out by plugging it in, but it looks like, again, it's set to be 80V. But we'll go ahead and plug it in just to a charger first, and then we'll plug it into a device and see if it works. When charging, for example, this is going to be your top side. You'll be facing with the 80V like that because you need to get this into the charging. And so just want to show you compared to an extended battery 80V that I have with Greenworks. Just going to show you how this works. Plugging it into a device here. As you can see, we're going to make sure it lines up, or a tool, we'll call it. This is just a simple leaf blower. Again, this is the battery, and we're going to just go ahead and let you know that again, this was not fully charged, but now it's it's going to have some plenty of kick, which is awesome. So I'm going to take this out, and it does come out no problem. We'll go ahead and charge it up. All right, so as mentioned, we're just going to put this right in, and you'll see that it begins charging. No problems, no issues whatsoever. So we're going to let it run. So this is a perfect replacement. Definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helped, and thanks for watching.